Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and this LUUKMONDE kettle is probably one of the cutest kettles I've ever seen. I have been looking and looking for such a long time for a 1-liter glass kettle, and I finally found this one. It has a super adorable shape and petite size. It is great for places with not a lot of room, like smaller apartments, but for us personally, we don't have a lot of counter space on our small coffee area. It fits absolutely perfectly there. It's very straightforward and it does exactly what I need it to do, and it boils the water very, very fast. I'm such a fan of the clear glass design paired with the stainless steel. It is just such a classic and timeless look. I really like being able to see the water boiling inside the kettle. I think that's just so cool. When the kettle is turned on, it also has this really pretty blue light that comes on at the same time. It helps to create a really cozy and nice ambiance in my kitchen while my kettle is brewing. This kettle has everything that I'm looking for from a kettle in a small, convenient format. And that's my point of view.